Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well. So, as I have promised you that I will take one practical question from your book DK Goel, page number 15.34. Right? So, I have selected your first question from your chapter number 15, Bank Reconciliation Statement. So, let's get started. Okay? So, the question says, Rimjim Limited maintains a current balance with the State Bank of India, right? On 31st March 2017, the bank column of its cash book showed a debit balance of 1,54,300. See, जो हमारी कैश बुक का बैंक बैलेंस है, they are saying its balance is showing a debit. Debit means a favorable balance. I have already told you, before starting bank reconciliation statement, you have to decide whether you have to start with the favorable balance as per cash book or the favorable balance as per cash book, passbook, right? So in this question, now the question has directly given us the debit balance of cash book. So I will start with the my question with this balance. See, I have firstly written here bank reconciliation statement. Now as on, because we are preparing it on a particular date, to 31st March 2017. Then particulars plus minors, right? Then see, I have started this at balance as per cash book. Because this is a favorable balance, that is why I have written it on the plus column. If it will be a credit balance, then I would show it on a minus side. Okay, so it depends which balance is given in the question. Now let's read our first transaction. Okay, then is, however, the bank statement showed a different balance as on the date, but passbook shows a different balance. Now we have to calculate the difference amount, right? Okay, the first one is checks deposited but not credited. Means we have deposited checks into the bank, but bank has not credited. Means bank has not increased our balance. See students, because we are following now bank account. So if bank has not increased, then we will also deduct it. Okay, so when bank will increase this amount, even we will increase our bank column of cash book. Okay, so I have written here checks deposited but not yet credited. The amount is 75450, and I have written on the in the minus side. Okay, so next is checks issued but not yet presented for payment. Means we have checks issued on some person's name to whom we have to make payment, but bank has not presented that for payment. It means bank still not have decreased our balance. If the bank has not decreased, then why we will do that? So we will add this back. When bank will decrease it, then we will decrease it. Okay, otherwise we have to increase. So I have written here checks issued but not presented for payment 80760. Our third number transaction is bank charges not yet recorded. Bank charges mean, I have already told you, sometimes bank charge some charges from us, right, for the functions he is performing for us. It means he is debiting our bank account, he is decreasing the amount. So that is why I have also shown the balance on the minus side. I have written here bank charges not recorded in cash book, the balance is 1135. Means we will also decrease our cash book. Okay, next, checks received by the bank directly from the trade debtors. Beta, debtors from whom we just had to receive money, right, by selling goods on credit, they just went to the bank and they just directly deposited the checks there. It means when they will deposit the checks, then the bank will increase our bank balance, right? If the bank will increase bank balance, so we will also do that. See, checks directly received from trade debtors I have shown in the plus side. Okay, next, insurance premium paid by the bank as per standing instructions but not yet recorded. See, insurance premium paid by the bank. ऐसा हो सकता है कि हमने बैंक को सीधा बोला हो कि हर जो मंथली है या क्वार्टरली है, जैसे भी हमारा जो प्रीमियम है वो बैंक अकाउंट से डायरेक्टली जाएगा टू द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. तो देयर इज नो नीड टू इन्फॉर्म अस अगेन एंड अगेन. तो बैंक क्या करेगा बेटा, आपका पैसा जब ड्यू डेट आएगी वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका अकाउंट घटाकर माइनस करके इंश्योरेंस कंपनी के अकाउंट में क्या कर देगा, मनी ट्रांसफर कर देगा. इट मीन्स योर बैलेंस will decrease. Okay, then if your bank balance will decrease, then please decrease your cash, the balance in the cash book. So I have written insurance premium paid by bank, that is 15,400. I have written here in the minus side. Okay, the last one, dividend collected by bank but not yet recorded in the cash book 1,000, means we have received the dividend but we haven't still recorded in the cash book. Maybe we just forgot it, right? So when we will took this into the notice, then we will record it. Okay, so with this our bank balance will be increased. That is why I have increased my balance of cash book by writing dividend collected by bank 1,000. Okay, now I have transferred all the transactions on the plus as well as minus side. Now what you have to do, just make addition of these both sides. Now my plus side is greater, the total of plus side is 31260 and the total of minus side जो है उसका balance इतना, means if I'll just make these two columns balance, then we have a difference of 2,79,275. It means our minus side is shorter with this amount. इस amount के साथ वो कम दिखा रही है. Means this is the balance that we want, for which we have just prepared our bank reconciliation statement. And how we have to write this? We have to write CR, credit balance as per passbook. Because the plus side is greater, that is why the balance is favorable. Right? If passbook will show a credit balance, it means the passbook is showing a favorable balance. Because this is showing a favorable balance, that is why it is to be shown on the plus side. Okay, so this is how you have to maintain your bank reconciliation statement. Now you can try the next questions, that is up to 5. You can try all the 5 questions. Please do your questions and send me your queries. Thank you so much.